Good morning, everyone. My name is Terrence,
My name is Yash.
My name is Fang.
and this is our Project One Save the Princess. Our problem was we wanted to find a way to create an adventure game using only HTML and CSS. The general requirement was we were faced with creating a dynamic adventure game, something that requires a little bit of skill, and we had to do all of this without using JavaScript. The solution was to look and observe HTML adventure game codes, and then based off of those codes, come together using the knowledge we learned to create our own adventure game.
Now I'm going to introduce URL diagram for our project. First of all, we will see homepage, and in this homepage there's a button. You can start play this game. Then you get into the Dragon Catch You page. In this page, if you touch the wrong button, you will game over. If you didn't, you need to repeat this process 8 times, then you will win. The key design feature for this process is our key design features was to add in a wrong move that would lead to instant game over. Another key design was the implementation of our animations with GIF. The testing part, we tested our adventure by attempting to play the game after each change was made. We made many bugs during this process. These bugs included not being able to include an overlay.
So this was our code to try to get the overlay to work. Essentially, there would be one image, and then once you hover over it, it would take you to a different image. But we were unsuccessful in implementing this. It was supposed to look like this. So once you hover over the card, it would change. Some of our code snippets include animation with GIFs. So we used this on our start page to have it move dynamically. This was used with the image tag. Next, we created a footer. This is a div, basically at the end of the page. This is where we write like the class name as well as who made it, so our names at the end. Then we have navigation buttons. Buttons is in asterisks because we used a table function to create these buttons. Essentially, they're A tags which link to the home page button and then the play button. And then we also learned how to do CSS formatting with pictures. So we learned how to adjust the size with the background size. So if the image was too big or too small, this is how you would change it, as well as turn off repeat or create repeat with the background repeat tagline, as well as the width and height to change the size of the pictures themselves. These are some of our references, and now we'll be going on to the game demo. So this is the home page that everyone will see. The title says Save the Princess from the Dragon. So if you click on the home button, it leads you back to this same page, and this page also includes instructions. Try to avoid the dragon and successfully save the princess. Good luck. Hit the play button to begin. So you hit the play button, and this is the play button / start page where you have to press the start icon or like the animation to get started. This is where we use the GIF. So once you click on it, this is where the actual game begins. So the goal is to try not to hit the dragon. There's some hints placed around here, not here. You keep going, the less the number of buttons come. And then eventually you win. But now we'll play again and show you how you'd probably lose. So that's a game over, and then we could do a shorter game over. But at the end, you can notice our div tag at the bottom to show like whose it is. It's at the bottom of every page, as well as the two buttons are at every page, so you can go back to the home page at any time. But now we'll show a quick game over. So basically, that was our project. If you have any questions, let us know.